Don't forget about virtual tutoring. There's our equation for a circle, and then we were just saying, if in the parentheses is a positive 7, what do I write for the center? Negative 7, because insiders lie. They're opposite inside the parentheses. What about if this is minus 2, what do I put? Positive 2, regular old 2, right? So that means the center of that circle is negative 7, positive 2 for my x and my y value, and then the radius. Now, the radius is not 324, right? The equation, yeah, I see it. Oh, it's an earring, my bad. Look like a, all right, look at this. R squared is 324, right? R squared is 324. So we have one more step to do to get rid of a square. We square root. What's the square root of 324? 18, right? So that radius is 18. Now, in theory, you could graph that. You could put a point at the center and go 18 up, down, left, and right, and draw a nice circle through that. But that's very big. I'm not going to make you draw a huge one. But look at number 2. This should fit. On number 2, what is my center? So what's inside the first parentheses? The minus 7 is going to be written as what? Positive 7, comma. And then, look, if there is no number, if it's just y squared, that means the y value, or k value, is 0. So 7 comma 0 is my center. Now, you can sketch this. I know you don't have graph grid on your warm-up sheet, but this is how you would do it. From the center, 7, 0 is to the right 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it doesn't go up or down, right? Because it's 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here's the question. What's the radius? The radius is not 4, folks. Remember, in the equation, that's r squared. So if r squared equals 4, square root, the square root of 4 is 2. So here's how you graph it. From that point, you go up 2, put a point, left 2, put a point, down 2, put a point, right 2, put a point. And then you want to draw a circle, not a diamond. Don't make it pointy. Do your best to make it curved through those 4 points. If it looks ugly like this, that's okay. I know what you meant if you got the points there, okay? But if you make straight lines connecting them, that's not a circle, okay? Now, I want you to finish the equations of a circle assignment from yesterday, numbers 1 through 22. Don't worry about the last 3, okay? And that's about it. The only 2 problems that are not on this warm-up are going backwards. So given the center and the radius, can you write the equation? So check the notes for that. If you need it, they're in the blue bin. The assignment is in the blue bin. And then we also did a problem if you have the center and a point, how to do it. Those were the last 2 we did on the notes. They're in the blue bin, filled out if you need it. Let's go ahead and work on this. If you got questions, let me know. Work on missing work 2 if you need to.